Continuing coverage when it comes to the ICE crackdown. The agency now detaining people outside their homes, works, and agencies helping with immigration status. A big change from the Biden administration. One of those operations happening outside an immigration office here in Nashville. Fox 17 News' Karen Aguilar joining us live in North Nashville after talking to an immigration attorney as well as ICE. What'd you find out, Karen?
The immigration attorney tells me the spouses were trying to do the right thing when ICE detained them. ICE tells me the right thing would have been to obey their judge-ordered deportation, which they didn't do. Under the Trump administration, ICE tells me they are fully enforcing the law, deporting undocumented immigrants. Last Thursday, at the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services office in Nashville, immigration attorney Katja Heading tells me ICE detained migrant spouses of U.S. citizens, coming for an interview to see if they could get a waiver to not be deported. Heading tells me ICE should have allowed them to finish the process.
There's no discretion. That's their marching order.
Heading tells me that the spouses who were detained by ICE here at the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services office were Janith Rodriguez Aguirre and Jose Emmanuel Guirian, both from El Salvador. Now, ICE tells me that both of those spouses had orders of removal. Jose, in particular, had been ordered to be removed twice, and this was long before he came here to file a waiver. ICE tells me Jose entered the country illegally during the Obama administration. Jose claimed his life was in danger, but it was determined that claim was not legitimate. The courts ordered his deportation, so Jose filed a petition to stay in the country after getting married.
If they were doing the right thing, they would not have entered illegally. They would not have refused to leave after they had been ordered deported.
Attorney and longtime political commentator Steve Gill tells me they have their due process. Why do you think ICE does not have a reason to fulfill final orders of removal?
They have all the right to fulfill it. I mean, by law, they have all the right to do it.
When someone enters the country illegally, is it breaking the law?
If you enter legally, yes.
But still, Heading tells me since the spouses don't have a criminal record.
Injustice, I do think it's splitting a family.
Their families can leave and go with them.
Heading asks why USCIS has a process for a waiver if ICE is going to detain people. ICE tells me that waiver is for people who want to come to this country after they've been deported. They say they can apply from their home country. Reporting live in Nashville, Karen Aguilar, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.